Okay, so come and sing a poem with me, a Letterland poem. This is the way to Letterland, Letterland, Letterland. This is the way to Letterland, you come and follow me. We shall meet with all our friends, all our friends, all our friends. We shall meet with all our friends, you just wait and see. As you see in the poem, we have lot of friends in Letterland. So today we will just meet our first friend. We will just meet with the first friend. Okay. This is our first friend. This is our first friend, Letterland's first member. It's a first member of Letterland. Its name is Annie Apple. What is its name? Annie Apple. You just say with me, Annie Apple. Its name is Annie Apple. Okay, tell me, how you eat apple? You will take an apple in your hand and you will just take a bite like this. Right? So this is your friend, a new friend. This is Annie Apple. Its name is Annie Apple. So today we are going to listen a story of apple. Right? So come and just follow. I have a girl. I have a girl. Her name is Annie. What is her name? Her name is Annie. All the time she is giggling, she is happy. Right? So, she is a girl. Her name is Annie. One day she went to Apple's garden. Where she went? She went to an apple's garden. So, she went to an apple's garden and she saw many apples there. So many apples there in apple's garden. So, she saw there an ant also. What she saw? She saw an ant. What she saw? She saw an ant there. And what the ant was doing? What the ant was doing? Ant was eating an apple. Ant was eating an apple. Once Annie thought, what she thought? She got angry when she saw ant was eating an apple. What she thought? She thought, I will take an axe. She wanted to take an axe and she wants to cut all the trees of apple. She had an axe. She had an axe in her hand. And she wanted to cut all the trees. But lastly she thought, no, it's the beauty of nature. God gave me a gift. She gave me the fruits, vegetables, and lot of things to eat. So she thought, no, I will not cut the trees, apple trees. So what she did? She was again happy and she was a friend of this ant. And then what she did? She was giggling, she was swinging on the swing, and then she sang a poem. What she sang? She sang a poem of Annie Apple. What she say? She say, Annie Apple says, in words, in words, in words. Annie Apple says, in words, it belongs to Mr. A. So, Annie Apple says all the time, a. What she says? A. Annie Apple says, a. So, what is the sound of A? Sound of A is A. What is the sound of A? A. A is the sound of A. Right? So, how you will write A? Sound. Here we are going to letterland phonics. So, you students remember this thing. You will not say this letter A. This is the phonics. This is a phonics. So, we will not use the first line. You will not use the second line. You will use the middle two lines. Middle two lines, how you will write? Look at the board. You will just put your pencil on the second line. You will make a curve. Then go up, down and make a loop. This is A sound. Which sound is this? A. And what is the character, first letterland character? I am revising. I am revising with you. What is the first character of letterland? Its name is Annie Apple. You say it's very happy, right? Its eyes are so bright and its hands are going up and down. What he is doing? He is happy. So, this is Annie Apple and it is very happy. And what he says? He says A in words. All the time he say A. So, what is the sound of A? A. This is the first sound. This is the first sound of letterland. This is the first sound of letterland A. How you will write? Look here again. You will not use first line. You will not use last line. You will use middle two lines and you will put your pencil on the second line, make a curve, go up, down and you will make a loop. This is A sound. So again, you will revise a story with me. Who is this character? It is Annie Apple. And she is Annie. She is a girl. One day she went to an apple's garden. What she saw? She saw an ant there. Ant was eating an apple. She got angry. Annie got angry. She thought, I will take an axe and cut all the trees and she will be not able to eat an apple. So later she thought, no, it's a beauty of nature. God gave us a gift. So she thought, I will not cut the tree. She go to an ant and they became friends. So she sang the song. They also both sang the song. Annie Apple says, in words, in words, in words. Annie Apple says, in words, it belongs to Mr. A. So thank you so much. First, listen to me carefully. I'm your teacher, Teacher Nadia Javed, and my dear students, kindly subscribe my channel Nadia's pre-primary phonics school. And please like my videos and watch many videos we have. First, this is our first letter, so you will say all the letters in this channel, on this channel, and you will be must this cut. Hi dear students, how are you? Hope you are feeling good and happy. So I am your teacher Nadia Javed. So I brought English class for you today. So dear students, I am requesting you please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Teacher Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School. So today I brought a phonics class for you. So first you will sing a poem with me, Letterland poem. I brought a very unique methodology, English phonics method for you. It's a Letterland method. So come and sing a Letterland poem with me. Then I will introduce you a character of Letterland. So come and sing. ज़रा थोड़ा बंद करें.